Still dust is everywhere, but I masked my car, wheels, finally finished sanding, and I'm going to paint today, I think. So, wish me luck. A bit scary, but let's begin. This is actual speed of me working, but a little bit boring. Going to the end with the first layer. First layer finished. Oh, this had some dripples on it. Second layer, I have painted this corner off camera already. I spent so much time preparing for this, and now I'm showing all this process without any cutouts. I like myself these long strokes. I'm happy how it looks like for this moment already. Going around the corner. Finishing the other side. I feel I have enough paint to completely finish the bumper. Very last strokes. Finished with painting and just checking now what we have got here. Here is some imperfection, but I'll leave it as it is. So, following your advice, I've bought this lacquer, and it's okay for me, very good, but the can is a little bit small. I doubt about it will be enough for 2 layers, as the paint I used was in a bigger can, it was barely enough. Here is the process of mixing 2 components of lacquer. I don't know how much I have to press it. How much should I press it? Is it okay or not? I don't know. I think it's okay. It went inside a lot. I need to shake. My milkshake is better than yours, better than yours. Better than yours, better than yours, better than yours. So, lacquer. I was worrying a lot here if it will be enough for 2 layers of this small can. Looks very nice, so far so good. The lacquer spreads very nicely and don't run down. Will it be enough for 2 layers? Will it be enough? I'm worrying. Diesel filler is on that side, so it would be nice to have thicker layer here. First layer completed. Hope it will be enough for the second layer. What is that? What is that? I don't see anything, but overall I am happy. The manual says 3-5 minutes between coats, but at 20 degrees of Celsius, and here we have less temperature, but it is not very sticky, so I think I will go for the second layer. I'm saving lacquer here, trying to avoid unnecessary places. The can is getting lighter and lighter. More than a half is done already. getting around the corner. Close to the diesel filler. Last strokes. Finished! Quality check. Even more quality check. Checking again. Not bad. Here is what I don't like. Too thick layer and it ran down. So, finished. Overall I am happy. Hello. Am I happy? Here's the other side. If it goes off easily, so overall I'm happy with the result, but I won't go with bodywork for living. No, no, no.